Good day, everyone. My name is Aaron Oates, and this is Tech Talk with the Hoffman Auto Group. I've been getting a lot of questions recently about electric car maintenance. And we know electric cars are on the way. A lot of manufacturers have gone that route and are beginning to develop or already producing them. And the question is, of course, if you purchase an electric car, what is the maintenance plan like? Is it the same or different from a normal internal combustion engine vehicle? Now, I'm not going to talk about hybrid cars because that's a different story in general. These I'm talking about are full electric vehicles. So I spoke with Anthony Audia, our service manager at our Nissan service department, and they sell the Nissan Leaf at Nissan. That car has been on the market for about 9 years now. It is a full electric vehicle. And according to Anthony, the maintenance on them is very minimal. You basically deal with tires, brakes, coolant flushes, brake fluid flushes, and cabin air filters, and that pretty much constitutes all of the necessary maintenance for an electric vehicle. And I found from speaking with other people that other manufactured electric vehicles from other companies are very similar to that. So a lot of the maintenance you normally dealt with an internal combustion car, like oil changes, are a thing of the past with an electric vehicle. So while you may pay a little more upfront for an electric car, the maintenance savings through the years will be significant, easily making up for the cost. Though I gotta admit, I haven't run the numbers, but we all know maintenance cost runs up there. Other things we'd recommend for an electric car, of course, is make sure you follow the manufacturer's charging procedures. Make sure you have the correct charging apparatus installed at your house. That's an initial investment up front. And follow the correct voltages and make sure everything's in order there. And then, of course, your normal washing, waxing, vacuuming. Take good care of the body, keep it looking good. And a car like that should last for a good length of time. Most of the manufacturers we service and sell here with the Hoffman Auto Group do manufacture an electric car and have several planned for future manufacture. So feel free to come into our showrooms, talk with the salespeople, and find out what you need to know if an electric car is right for you. I'll be honest, I'm thinking about it for my next vehicle. I've driven electric cars. I like them a lot. They're quiet, they're smooth. Most of them are pretty quick too. They do go. I like that. It's a lot of fun, but it's definitely a different sensation, different experience, and I like it a lot. So I look forward to the future with electric cars. Hopefully you do the same. The ranges are increasing. Charging apparatus or infrastructure rather is increasing across the country, and the technology continues to grow. So talk to us, see what is right for you. Maybe that's a good move for you. And if you have any other maintenance questions, send them my way, certainly. Anything having to do with cars, I love to talk about it. So you all enjoy your afternoon. I appreciate your time. Again, this is Aaron Oates with Tech Talk for the Hoffman Auto Group, driven by trust. See you soon.